This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, good evening. Can you hear me? Good evening, students. Am I able to hear you? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll share the screen. So, last class what I did was subtotal and all over, no? Today's class we are discussing about the chat GPT options. What are all the things I have taught you in the last class? So, we're going to discuss about that. Okay, I'll give you another 2 minutes time. Please join the session fast. Hello, can you able to hear me? You can
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
see the screen what I'm sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can able to see this chat GPT PDF? Hello. You can able to see ma this one? Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, we
See,
can see.
you have to reply ma. See here, what is chat GPT is nothing but it is a powerful language model called GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Okay. So how we can relate with this Excel sheet? Till now, what we have learned the advanced Excel features, what we have learned till now, and now we are going to tell that with the help of ChatGPT, how we are going to interact with these many formulas, questions, everything, right? Okay. So here, first point, what it will going to do, it will answer the questions, write the text, translate languages, explain complex topics, help with Excel, Power BI, writing, learning, and more. Okay. These concepts I already taught you. Hello. I have explained this one already.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Tell
no.
what is chat? You explain.
Okay. What is ChatGPT? I have explained. No. Okay. Have you learned this one? How does AI work? I have explained this one. No, no. See here, we are having how does AI work. So think of AI as a very smart student that learns from books, examples, and practice. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. See here how it will going to learn. We are having two types of learning: machine learning and deep learning. Okay. See here, AI is trained using huge amounts of data, just like student learns by reading textbooks. Okay. And here it will going to recognize that cats, you show it thousands of pictures labeled cat or not cat. Okay. So over the time it learns patterns for fury shape, whiskers, ears. These are the things what we call it as a learning, the training, how it will going to train and understanding the patterns. So AI looks for patterns and rules in the data, even patterns that humans might miss, but AI will remembering that patterns. See here the example in Excel. AI might find a sales trends. In language, it learns how people ask questions or give answers. So, you have to give the proper question, then you're going to get the result over there by using this chat GPT. I'll tell you how to log in that and how to give the prompts for that. Okay. So, you just write down the first definition learning from data till problems. Take down fast. And just give you Take down from here only. So today's class I am teaching AI, artificial intelligence, how we are giving in. Okay, finish writing. We'll move on to the next one. So tomorrow, as usual, class will be there at 6 o'clock. You have to log in. So the next one is making decision or predictions. See here, it will going to AI will going to predict that whether the customer will buy again or classify the information. Is this spam email or not? Generate the link chat GPT writing answers or stories. See, for example, how it will going to predict whether the customer will buy again. So in the whenever you're going to order any items from the online like Flipkart, Amazon, Zepto and all. Okay. What you'll give at the end? You have to give the star ratings, right? Whether you are satisfied with that particular item, what you have purchased. Am I are you able to listen to me? My voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, whenever you'll purchase any item from the online, so at the end, what we are giving the star rating based on that AI will decide whether this particular product will be uh, again we have to the customer will going to purchase a more or a less. Okay, based on that it will going to recognize. And then spam or email, the spam email, even the spam calls also what we are getting, that also it will recognize, right? So these are the things which we are generating with the help of AI, and also it generate the content. So chat GPT will writing the answers or stories. See, the learning and improving, the fourth point what I am explaining, some AIs can be keep learning over time. It is called as continuous learning. Getting smarter with more data or feedback. Means you have to keep on giving the work for that AI. It will be keep on storing the same database will be there. So automatically within a fraction of second it can get the data over there. See, for example, if I take it as Amazon or a Flipkart, they'll be purchasing the same items over there, so it will generate a bill very fast and the work will get done by faster. With a fraction of second our work will going to get done. Got it? So write down the third and fourth point. Once you finish, please tell me, ma. Students. Finish, students. We'll move on to the next one. Next one, how does ChatGPT work? Okay, so this is very important here. ChatGPT, an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI based on the model called GPT. I told you, generative pre-trained transfer. It works like a smart assistant that can understand and generate human-like text. See how we are going to represent here. Whenever you want to take anything from the chat GPT, you have to text for that. Like how we are going to communicate with the text messages. First thing, you have to training on the text. How we can able to train? By giving the books, websites, articles, conversations. This training helps it learn grammar, sentence structure, knowledge from various topics, how humans typically talk and write. It does not memorize everything. It learns patterns and relationship between the words. See, if I give water, there is no meaning at all because there is no grammar part in that only. So you have to, how you going to ask, please can you give me a water? So this is what the difference between the chat gpt chatbot, what you are going to recognize. And in one question you have to form a everything. Like I want to create, I'll tell you, create a pivot table with 20 employee details. Okay, it will going to create it. 20 employee details, it will create a table, it will create a pivot table, it will give the chart, everything it will going to give you. But if you just give create a table for 20 employees, it will just create one table. Okay, with details, if you are asking, it will give you the more details on that. Are you able to understand how we have to chat with that? Are you getting, students? So copy this one. Once you have written, please tell me, students. Finished, ma? So we'll go for the second one. Using a neural network. See, neural network is nothing but the chat GPT, what it will going to transfer the modes here. So breaks down your question into tokens. That means word and word parts. Understand the context of what you are asking. Generates a response word by word. So you just ask what is AI. So ChatGPT will find related patterns it has learned, predicts the best next word over and over until the full answer is complete. See that one I'll show you how to log in and how to give the prompts and all. And conversation engine, ChatGPT does not just answer one question. It can remember the context of the conversation, so it can continue a discussion, refer back to earlier question, correct itself if asked. See, suppose if I told one example, you have to give the pivot table. So in that time only it will ask you, you want still more examples or you want me to give the downloaded file. Everything it will going to display. Got it? Just copy this one. Once you copy it, please tell me, ma. I hope everybody are listening. So finish writing. We'll go for the last next one, fourth point, safety and filtering. Before you get a response, ChatGPT's answers go through filters. Avoid harmful or biased content. Stay safe and respectful. Follow the rules set by OpenAI. Okay, it has to follow all the rules and then it will going to give you the result, whatever the result or whatever the query we will going to ask. So it will going to do it like this based on the following this safety and filtering. Copy this one. Finished. So now we'll go for the next one. Does it think like a human? Not really, but ChatGPT does not have feelings or beliefs, does not understand in the way humans do, just predicts the most likely and helpful next verse based on in your input. See, again it will going to run based on our input only, whatever the input we are giving. So based on that it will going to predict the thing. Okay. Now, key differences. Search engine is the internet. Yes, search engine requires the internet, but ChatGPT never. Without internet also you can work in this. Real time updates, yes, but ChatGPT it won't do any real time updates. Give links, yes, search engine will give, but ChatGPT no. Writes, explain, creates. Not directly, but ChatGPT will write, creates, and explains. Feels conversation, no. Whereas in ChatGPT, you will feel the conversation. So copy this one. Finish writing. Finish writing. So we'll go for the next one. See, how it will works. There is a search engine will works like a librarian who tells you where to find the book. Whereas ChatGPT it works like a tutor or assistant who explain what's in the book based on what it knows. Okay? Are you able to understand? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, copy this one, ma. Once you finish copying, please tell me. Have you taken down this one? Key differences.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Take down this search engine and ChatGPT differences. So now here is some examples. See here, common examples of AI in everyday life. Voice assistants. The under that first one we are having Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. See if I'll tell Siri on the fan. So what it will do, how it will go into how we are assisting for that AI. We are giving the assistance through voice messages. Then recommendation systems, Netflix suggestion movies, all these things. Spam filters, email services, navigation and maps. See, wherever you want to go, we're going to put the map. So it will going to give you the faster routes and updates and suggest everything. Nowadays, even we are getting the street address and the buildings where exactly we have to go there. Social media, AI curates your news feeds and time to time it will going to update for that, and it will tell us that whether it is a real news or fake news. Customer service chatbots, facial recognition. See, we'll be keeping our password for our phone, face recognition. Okay, through with the help of our eyeballs, it will going to recognize our password. Then autocorrect and predictive text, online fraud detection, smart homes devices. Okay. So just write down one example for this common examples of AI in everyday life. Okay. Once you finish writing, please tell me, ma. Anybody is joining now? 46 was there. Okay. Copy this one, students. Once you finish copying, please respond. I'm not getting any response from you. You people are responding now in Excel class. Please respond. Once you finish writing, please tell me. Okay, finish writing, students.
We are still writing.
Okay. Once you finish, please tell me, ma.
Can you show the 8 point?
Yeah. I think first and second everybody finished. I think so. So from 3 to 10. Once you finish, please tell me, students. Finished, everybody? We'll go for the next one. See, these are the popular AI tools. Okay, you can write one from the starting one. Content generation AI tools: ChatGPT, OpenAI. Okay, Jasper.ai, See, these are all the things which we are using for only for the particular information. It will go into copywriting for making blogs, social media posts, etc. So this is the right sonic generates blog posts, product description, ads, more. Copy.ai helps to create a marketing copy, emails, and social content quickly. Pseudowrite AI creative writing assistant for friction and storytelling. For that, we are using Pseudowrite. See, Pseudowrite is nothing but as soon as I start narrating the story, immediately even it will going to give you that picturization or a visualization. This is what we call it as a pseudo writing. So copy this one. Popular AI tools. Finish that contains generation AI tools. We'll go for the next one. Audio generation AI tools. See, 11 labs, Descript overdub, Murph.ai, Lovo.ai, Resemble.ai. Okay, these are the things which we are using with a multiple voice recognition. Okay, see in comics and all you'll be seeing the voice recognition. No, same way it is also giving with the multiple voice recognition. So, audio generation AI tools. Write down only the bold part. Finish writing. So, we'll go for the next one. So, the next one is video generation AI tools. Then we are having image generation AI tools. Okay. So we'll go for the next one. How to log into ChatGPT. How to log into that ChatGPT. See, I'll show you that how to log into that one ChatGPT. So people has to continue with the Google. Everyone open your Google Chrome. Everybody opened? Everybody open, ma. I'm showing how to log into that Google. See, tomorrow you are having your exams. So tomorrow will be the last class. So tomorrow you are having your exam. Hello? Everybody are listening?
What time, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
As usual, pa. Same timings.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So please look at here how to give the prompts to that chat GPT. Everybody open that Google Chrome.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Give that as a chatgpt.com. Here you have to give www.chatgpt.com. Log into ChatGPT. So first time if you are logging, it will ask you that whether you want to continue with your email ID and password. Please continue with your Google email ID and password only. Because I already logged in, for me it is not asking anything. Those who are like log in to the first time for the ChatGPT, please log in through your email ID and password. Same email ID and password what you are given for your
Done,
Gmail.
ma'am.
Same you can give it here. Done everyone? Everybody done, ma? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody
Yes,
got
ma'am.
like this type of screen. What you are seeing? See the interface chart. And this is a sidebar what you are seeing. See new chart, search charts, library, GPTS, Excel Pro, Excel training assistance, ice cream chocolate ideas. See you got same thing what you are seeing the screen. Everybody got the same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we'll start doing the charting here with the GPT, with the chat GPT. Okay, so everybody type hi. Okay, now tell me how you got the reply. How you people got the reply from the chat GPT? See, you can able to see my screen, right? It is telling that, hey Radha, how's your day going? Okay, means it is asking its own question that which we are not feeding. Can you able to see the difference over there? Okay, how you people are getting? Tell me one or two examples. We'll see.
Ma'am, for me, like I'm getting a hi Lakshita, how's your day going?
Okay, same thing, and it is showing with the emoji also.
No, ma'am, I'm not getting the emoji.
You didn't get this type of high symbol, right? Okay,
No,
what about others? Any two more example?
Chat is
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
hi,
It's
how can I
saying
help you, ma'am?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like
Yeah. Tell
saying
me, pa.
how's it going?
Okay. How's it going? Okay. Tell me, pa. It was asking something you told.
How can I help you, ma'am?
How can I help you? And see here, what we can understand by using these prompts, we are everybody, including me, we are like how many are there in the session actually? How many we are there? Yeah,
60.
almost 60. Okay, see, everyone we have given as a hi. Okay, what is our input here? What is our input?
Hi.
Hi. But how many answers we got? See, we all 60 persons, we got different answers, right? Are you
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
understand? See, the one question, it will going to give you the multiple answers. Okay. So, yeah, I'll type you one more prompt. See to it here. I'll hide this. Okay. Give like this. You act like a Google assistant. You act like a Google assistant. I'll give the question. See what is the answer you got? Not exactly.
From
Ah,
yeah, for me it's getting kind of.
okay. See for me what it gave? Not exactly. I am more like a mix of Google search plus assistant plus a teacher plus a problem solver. Have you got like this? See, this is what we can say the difference between and the search engine and the chat GPT. See, search engine, if you are telling that, if you want to take the address of that, for example, I'll take it as a NICT Jayanagar. It will give you the answer only for that NICT Jayanagar. It won't ask further question to you. Will it ask? It won't ask any question. See here, after this 2 points you can observe. Would you like me act like a voice style assistant? Short, direct answer, or more like a detailed helper or teacher? See, it will going to ask you only the again question it will going to ask you. So now I'll give you one more note. You act like a MS Excel consultant. Give this prompt, we'll see what you're going to get it. Got it? See, people gave like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. See what it will going to tells you. Do you want me to start with the basics, formulas, tabs, shortcuts, or you want go into that advanced level of MS Excel, scenario manager, Power Query, dashboards? You want more on this one, and then also it is going to tell us that give you real world example like sales, HR, finance projects, or pivot tables, Power Query steps, Power BI queries, or AI tools, macros. See, anything you can give it to that Excel, it will going to give you the result. Are you able to understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'll give you one question. Prepare a data set for sales print the prompts. You can able to see this, students. See, it is going to prepare a data set for sales and then it will going to print the prompts for that. Means the formulas. What it is telling that you want that in Excel also. Even you can download that. See here, create the data set. If you want to download, what you have to do? You can share, you can change, you can copy also, you can download also. So give yes. See, otherwise you can give it as a download the Excel pivot table. See here, have you given this one? Hello, I'll just download the file. Are you doing, ma, students?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Download the file. Give it as enable editing. See, by using this, what you can understand? You can take any database which you can perform the operation. Now, see, I have this database even with pivot table also. See, this is a pivot table. Can you able to see this one? So I'll take only few database. Yeah. You also do along with me. Just copy, paste it somewhere else in the same sheet only. And we'll take this quantity, unit price, discount and total sales. Even this table you can upload it with the ChatGPT and you can also do it with that, whatever the thing you want. See, now I am taking this table, I'll copy, I'll paste it in ChatGPT. See, there is an option called add files. So, need a formula for the total sales, or need a formula for the entire table. Need a formula for the entire table. See here, got it like this? Got it, students? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, ma'am, I got it.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see, already it is showing a message. You have reached your data analysis limit. Upgrade to ChatGPT. Go or try again tomorrow after 5:57 p.m. That means only few queries it will going to give you as a free. Okay. There is a paid versions also. Copilot is one of the open source AI. So you can get with that more beautiful database or more powerful with that, and that is chargeable. Okay, here what we are getting the versions, this is a free one. So the free one we can give maximum 5 to 6 prompts per day. Suppose if I want to give one more, now if I try to give one more question, so what we can do it here. Okay, so I'll just give me a or create 20 student details with marks. See, you can see the database. Got it, students?
Yeah, ma'am.
Even you are getting like this only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Everybody are getting?
Clear, yes, ma'am.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I'll give one more query, which I don't know the formula. Give me a formula for network days. See, network days you people know, right? See, it is not only giving the formula, but it is explaining here. See, network days with the example 31 days. This is excluding Saturday and Sundays. So from 1st of January to 31st of January, excluding Saturday and Sunday, how many working days are there? So that it will going to explain. Are you able to understand how it will be helpful the chat GPT for us?
Hmm.
Understand, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Till now, what and all the formulas we know, like we have done with that in basic Excel, advanced Excel, even pie chart, bar chart. So that also you can able to create with the help of ChatGPT. So create a pie chart. So what we did? Combo chart with the database. See here. See the steps. See the values. See, you won't get the chart, right? Because that is a that will consist of formatting, means with the color, everything. Even that is a paid one. The co-pilot will give you the chart. So here about it will going to give you the steps. So it will teach you how you can able to create your combo chart. Understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Understand, students? Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
like this you can able to practice. Still more prompts you can give. Okay, give the proper question. So then you can able to work on the whichever the options you have a doubt. Okay, you can work on it with the help of chat gpt. Understand today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
tomorrow as usual you have to log in at 6 o'clock. So tomorrow I'll give some more prompts command and we'll discuss about what are things we have done from the beginning of the class, and then I'll give you the exam link. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
so
how
like
will the
exam
exam
started.
link be?
I'll send tomorrow. You can take through your phone also. You can take through your mobile, that laptops also. It will be multiple
Ma'am,
choice
Google Forms,
questions.
ma'am.
Sorry?
Google Forms, ma'am.
No, for multiple choice questions will be there. Yeah, Google Forms only will send the link.
so
So
mine,
even
Okay.
you can
like at
take through
what
your
time the
phones
exam
also,
will
mobile
start?
phone also.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am. Ma'am, I just wanna
Huh.
ask like at what time the exam will start?
See, it will be like same within 1.5 hour, ma. Like how I am taking the class 6 to 7:30. So same link you are going to send you. So within half an hour or 10 minutes you can finish your exam.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Thank you, ma'am.
all it will be multiple choice
Okay, ma'am.
questions only. Anybody wants to ask anything? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now you got it how to do this chat GPT, AI, everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, try these things. Like try, you have to try out with the uh, prompts by giving the different types of prompts. Okay. Try
Yes, ma'am.
and tell me which one of the prompts you have tried. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
students? Yes. Okay. So we'll see rest of the options, exam, everything in tomorrow's class. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.